Being gifted means I think different than other kids, but it still makes me special.
Yeah, I think most of our stakeholders, when they hear like the term gifted, they think of academic achievement. Students who typically get A's or do really well on state tests, but it really is more than that. What truly makes a student gifted is being problem solvers, being comfortable rumbling in a productive struggle, and asking questions that really make the room ponder something deeper.
A gifted student is one of those students who thinks outside of the box to solve a problem. They are the ones who are wanting to go above and beyond what is asked of them. They are the creative thinkers. They are the ones who will find a truly abstract way of solving a problem.
I think gifted means talented, like really good at something.
It means you get to get pulled out a random time of the day and you get to learn stuff that you wouldn't normally learn in a regular classroom. Being gifted means I think different than other kids, but it still makes me special. For example, one kid might do addition completely different than I do. It just helps me find the answer a little bit more quick.
I think it's important to have a gifted program because the way that it's designed is to allow for a lot of exploration.
It's important to give them that space to ponder and to explore their unique gifts and talents because they don't always get that opportunity in the classroom. Allowing them this 30 minutes a day to come to the Gifted Resource Teacher's classroom provides them that opportunity where they are getting instruction at their level and they're given the space to explore, examine, struggle a little bit sometimes even with the concepts that they're working with and talking about, and to build those deep critical thinking skills. We try to do some experiences for them that are separate from their regular classmates that they interact with on a daily basis. We do have our annual Elementary Gifted STEAM Day. It's been held at the Smithfield Center. It's a day where all 100+ students come together. They intermix with students from across the schools, which gives them an opportunity to meet new friends, new kiddos who think just like them and are a little bit like them. And then just have a day of hands-on exploration and activities that they get to participate in.
Today I'm at Smithfield Center with for STEAM Day for gifted class. STEAM Day stands for science, thinking, art, engineering, mathematics. In science we made snow, in math we did addition, art we did a flag about ourselves. We made ski jumpers for engineering, and we did a connect the dot for math.
So in the normal classroom, we would just do class work and stuff on paper, and on the STEAM Day, we would do hands-on activities. We would actually get to experience it.
It's kind of like a break from school, but I prefer not to think of it like that. I prefer to think of it, oh, this is gonna be fun because I'm gonna be out of school and learning some new things and putting my brain to the test and finding solutions and even creating new things that I maybe not have tried before.
Additionally, something we started a few years ago in collaboration with the Fine Arts Department is we started back up our Gifted and Talented Night.
This year's theme was Imagine, and so students got to interpret that in any way that they saw fit. They designed a project which resulted in a completed product, and then they had to kind of connect that product and what they learned to the theme for the audience that attended the event.
We do something like an expo. Today's theme is imagination. We get to create, we imagine and create something really cool and creative and interesting. And then we practice it all, and it all comes down to the expo, and then we show our creativity to families and friends.
It's a good opportunity for them to practice those communication skills, to get kind of questions thrown their way and having to navigate how to use everything that they learn to answer those questions in a way that's not traditionally provided.
I think reaching our gifted students is just as important as reaching our students with special education needs. They have learning needs that are different from your atypical student in a classroom, so making sure we continue to provide our gifted program and our gifted services for these students on a consistent basis, and for us to continue to develop and evolve our gifted program to meet the needs of our students is something that we strive to do every year.
Creativity and imagination are important because it helps you think of new ideas that you could use in the world. Because if we all thought the same, then no new inventions would be created. There wouldn't really be anything new, and it just wouldn't be as fun.